Back to the transaction layer, we then have labels. There are several ways to apply a label to a transaction. First of all, you can click Add Label on each individual transaction and add a label that you've created or that is already set. And you can also add non-taxable event labels as well. To speed things up, if you have many transactions here that are going to be labeled the same thing, you can select multiple transactions at once and edit and apply labels en masse. Taking this one step further, we can even automate the application of labels. Again, if I head to Business, click on Labels, it takes me into the labeling section. This is where I can create new labels, giving this a name and assigning it a color. And I can even batch import labels too. But we can also create labeling rules that will automatically label transactions based on certain flows. For example, here, I've created a rule for payroll. I've stated that every single time funds leave any of my wallets, or I could select a specific wallet and go to the contact, in this case, employee A, I automatically want that to be labeled payroll. Then every single time the platform sees a transaction that follows this flow, it will label it payroll. You can see the same going the other way. When I've got funds coming in from a certain address or a certain contact into any of my wallets here, it's going to be labeled revenue. We can even do these open-ended. Many organizations have dedicated wallets for certain uses. For example, if I know that any funds that come from anywhere into this wallet could be something like primary revenue, then every single transaction that incomes to that wallet will be labeled primary revenue.